Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. 1969 legend rebuilt to destroy modern supercars. This is the moment you lay eyes on it, time doesn't just slow down, it disappears. Because what you're looking at in Chevrolet Camaro RS SS Restomod, reborn with modern brutality, hidden under pure American muscles heritage, a machine that carries the soul of the late century but breathes like it was built in a modern performance attention. It takes it, the camera glides slowly across style grille. He behind the aggressive RS style grille are those iconic concealed hull headlights, sitting in silence like they're waiting for a signal to around it, like a black lake at midnight, or maybe it's a fiery around it black onolibonite, or maybe it's a fiery metallic red, depending on the build. Very glowing under studio lights like low wide purposeful. This Camaro doesn't sit like a restored classic, it sits like it's ready to launch. Now the camera drops slightly, revealing the heart of the beast. 383 cubic inch stroker V8. This is not factory. This is engineered aggression, forged internals. Performance camshaft. Aluminum heads breathing freely. Fuel system tuned for instant response. Between 420 to 500 plus horsepower, but numbers is how I explain it. What matters is, and the entire car wakes up like it's alive for the first time, wakes up like it for the first time in decades. Idle through the chassis, vibrating through the floor like a heartbeat that refuses to slow down, step to the side. The body lines of the 1969 Camaro are timeless. Long hood, short deck, pure muscle proportions. But this isn't, says Tribute Restomod, carefully rebuilt with modern precision. You'll notice subtle flares, performance wheels tucked perfectly under widened arches, and a stance that screams pro touring aggression. Every inch of this car has been reimagined. Now we open the door. Inside, the past and present collide. Classic Camaro dashboard styling remains, but now enhanced with modern gauges, precision readouts, and upgraded materials. Soft touch leather wraps the seats. Stitching is tight and premium. A modern steering wheel is like the original, but her purpose is full, direct, connected. There's even climate control, because this isn't just a weekend toy any with. But make no mistake, comfort doesn't reduce its aggression, it just makes the experience dust, because now you can drive more dangerous. Bob, drive it longer. The camera follows as the Camaro rolls forward slowly, almost patiently, then the throttle blips, the exhaust responds instantly. A sharp, violent bark, followed by a deep, very rolling growl, shaking the air itself. This is where accelerate, it doesn't accelerate, it attacks. First gear hits, the rear tires bite, and the world behind you disappears. No emotional. The exhaust screams through each gear shift, raw, unfiltered in motion. Outside the car, this is analog chaos. Thus far, it looks like art in motion. Inside, it feels like modern braking system performance tuning that lets a 1969 body behave like a machine decades ahead of its time. It corners flat. It responds instantly. It feels alive in your hands, and yet the most powerful thing about this Camaro isn't horsepower, it's presence. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro typically sits in a strong collector plus custom build market because it is not factory original but heavily performance upgraded. A well-built example usually costs between $75,000 and or $10 for mid to high quality restorations, especially those with a frame-off build modern 3-stroker producing around 500 horsepower. Lower end driver quality builds may start near $55,000, $70,000, while elite 26 manual transmissions and full custom fabrication can exceed $150,000 plus. Auction grade or celebrity built versions may push even higher depending on rarity and craftsmanship. The price is driven mainly by build components, labor hours, and brand name aftermarket parts rather than factory originality or matching numbers status. Park it anywhere, and modern supers don't just look expensive to it. They look quiet because this machine carries history. It's not trying to be futuristic, it's proving that timeless design never loses relevance. As the sun sets, light reflects off the bodywork like liquid fire. Waiting for the next ignition, the SS-inspired detailing whispers performance even at rest. Animal 303 stroker engine cools under the hood. This is what happens when classic American muscle meets modern engineering discipline. This is not restoration, this is resurrection. And when you finally step to be driven, but a few rare machines are built to be Restomod, and this 1969 Camaro RS SS Restomod, it doesn't just stay in your memory, it stays in your imagination.